songs in a real life, in a real life. I pray, man, I pray, and I go and hold the faith in a real life.
It was a personal song. I was writing that song based on my personal life and stuff when I did go through at the time. I never really thought it would be such a major song, but I guess a lot of people was going through struggles at that time when that song came out, so a lot of people could relate to it. So honestly, it was a personal song about my life. That song was recorded in my bedroom because I have a home studio with my little laptop and my little speaker and my little stuff, my little setup. So that song was recorded in my bedroom. That song was produced by Cash Flow Records. Big up Cash Flow, because you know that's my first hit song, and I have to say big up Cash Flow all the time, every time.
No used to say me not rich nowhere, but still one day I survive. Well, enough to me smile and know my life and happy.
I never know it would really have that impact on people, because I was just writing that song based on what I did go through at the time and my personal life. So I never know it would have that impact on people. Never. It changed everything. Everything. I remember, you know, me as a ghetto youth, you know, me used to the dumpling and the butter and the sufferation. When real life come out and it start do good, all of that just changed. I can buy chicken now, and I end up move from the garrison and could have put my mother in a nice place and stuff like that, and then I start travel. So it changed everything.
People might see me and smile and believe say everything fine, and just through them can't see the inside. More while man have talk it out when hungry at twist stripe.
In light of the most recent earthquake that hit Jamaica, we took to the streets of downtown Kingston to ask, what the first thing you would do if an earthquake should hit right now? Let's check out the responses.
Why Pree?
Right now, when I try to secure my things, them, you know. Understand?
But if the place is shake down, you can't secure everything, so what you going to grab first?
Yeah, what I going to grab first is my money, you know. Yeah, because money alone can build you back, you know. Yeah. So that's the first thing I do, and grab my money, and anything after can go. You understand?
You know, say, one night, straight, one lick, one night. As I lift me a bill out. I build up in front of me, in front of my bed. When I shake, I couldn't even do nothing. Mama have to just stand up firm on my foot, so.
Says you dash it?
No, I have it in my hand set so. And the place set so I shake, and I just snap so. And don't move.
I said it's firm.
Everything firm.
Where? In the house or outside? What do you mean? Anywhere?
Anywhere you're there.
Well, for inside, I just try to run to a door where I know so I can stand up something where I know we cover at the door edge them or something like that. That alone I think of I can do at the moment.
You know, sir, for real, everybody would have run, but mother just try to stand still. Because you have to use wisdom for so stand still to see all of the movements. Because it must last long enough. I don't want to run and go tumble down and go run all in a vehicle. So I have to just stand still and watch the program. Yeah, man, you have to be wise.
I do the same thing like when I do up a yard with you. Then I also bag up some sweetie and the place start shake. The little earthquake with you. I calm, stay same place. I don't want to run, and when I run now, would I run in a something drop down, kill me. I will just focus, brother.
And stay put.
And stay put.
First thing you have to do, an earthquake, you find a door jam. Because it depends on where they're still. But the quickest place to find, a sturdiest place to find is a door jam. Because an earthquake, everything will drop. Depends on the magnitude of the earthquake.
Stand up on my doorway. Because one they come last week, Saturday. And you know me there, right on my doorway, and my daughter the right at the doorway too. So
panicking or just no, calm and cool?
Just calm and cool. They don't even know me. Just like you see me, calm and cool.
Well, those are the views of the people. Don't forget to let us know what you think on our social media platforms at Pree This Show. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we pull the curtains down on Cherry Gardens as well as this week's episode of Pree This Show. You don't know I'm your host, Nalda Addy, and I'll see you guys next week.